The MasterBox TD500 Mesh E-ATX PC chassis turns high airflow performance into an art form with a geometric, three-dimensional mesh front panel and a tempered glass side panel plausibly cut from crystal. Raw performance is powered by 3 pre-installed ARGB fans mounted in front to light up every intricate angle of its structure. For the price, this case has held up extremely well. The way everything is made allows for little to no dust buildup, and to clean everything was fairly simple as removing just 2 major parts. Biggest issue is the front panel not coming off easily, which is my biggest complaint due to dust being on the fans, but it's fairly easy to clean up from the inside.